Hello friends, the topic of today's video is linear data and non-linear data. So whenever you choose any machine learning algorithm, it is very important to check whether the given data is linear or non-linear, and depending on that you have to choose the appropriate machine learning algorithm. So in this video we will see what is the difference between linear data and non-linear data. So it is very important to understand what is linear data and non-linear data, because algorithm selection is completely dependent. If you choose a wrong algorithm for wrong type of data, then accuracy may affected. So that's why it is very important to understand what is linear data and non-linear data. So let us see what is linear data. Linear data is represented on line graph, while non-linear data cannot be represented on the line graph. Graph will be straight line in linear data, while in non-linear data graph will be curve. So if you look, there are figures. So if you look here, there are two classes here, circle and square. So there is completely one straight line between two classes. So we can easily identify this is the class. So there is always linear boundary between two classes in linear data. While if you check non-linear data, so graph is always curve. So here again there are two classes, but you will find the graph is curve. So between two classes. So this is the main difference between linear data and non-linear data. So whenever you choose any data set, you must check whether the data set is linear or non-linear. So next important difference is in linear data there is clear relationship between the variables. So you can easily identify this is the linear data. And how to identify non-linear data? In non-linear data there is no clear relationship between the variables. So this is how you can identify non-linear data, and this is the difference between linear data and non-linear data. So I do hope you understand the difference between linear data and non-linear data, so that it will be helpful to you for choosing the appropriate machine learning algorithm. So that's it for this video. If you like the video, then please subscribe, like and share.